people have a living will? Okay. Well, I didn't, and I thought, especially now, Kavanaugh, he wrote Terry Schiavo. Anyway, let's not talk. Anyway, I thought I should have one, but instead of spending a lot of money going to a lawyer, why not write it in a song and publish it? Isn't that good? So then I had an idea. After you hear this, is recording my song and then just popping in your name and charging you $25. It's my next business. I hope I live to 103, die in my sleep peacefully. But if I get some fatal red disease, unplug me. If I walk out the door, get hit by a bus, please tell the doctors not to make a fuss. If my diagnosis is a total bust, unplug me. Drip, drip, drip goes the morphine. Flip, flip, flip goes my heartbeat. Don't bring me down, don't bring me around. Unplug me. I gotta record it here. You're recording it. You know what I'd like to do? Oh, record it, send it. Can I get a bunch of people on stage to sing it with me, and then I'll have it, because they're telling me I'm supposed to do a lot of things on my socials. Can I get like just 10 people to come sing it with me? Come on. Oh, he is? Okay, give him 1 minute. Okay, so we have 1 minute to record it, but we're going to have it on the, so until we do that, we're going to sing another song, all of us. Okay, what song should we sing? Let's think of something. Oh, John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. That's my name too. Whenever we go out, the people always shout, singing John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. Da 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 da. That was a good time. Are we ready? Okay. So here's the song. Here's the song. Here's my Living Will song, and I can replace my name with yours for $25. I know. Oh. For $45. I hope I live to 103, die in my sleep peacefully. But if I get some fatal red disease, unplug me. If I walk out the door, get hit by a bus, please tell the doctors not to make a fuss. If my diagnosis is a total bust, unplug me. Drip, drip, drip goes the morphine. Flip, flip, flip goes my heartbeat. Don't bring me down, don't bring me around. Everyone, unplug me. Can't afford a lawyer, I can't afford the bill.
unplug me, but before you do, make sure it's not just a bad cold or flu. No, it's not fun, but I'm counting on you.